Let us understand the procedure of athletes and sports pedicure. At the end of the session, you will be able to understand the procedure of athletes or sports pedicure and explain the procedure of paraffin pedicure. Tools and equipment required for the process are as follows: a medium-sized bowl, an orange wood stick, emery board, magnifying glass, a cuticle pusher, a cuticle clipper, and a nail brush and toe separators. Materials required for the process are as follows: cuticle oil or cream, cuticle remover, hand lotion and cream, top coat, paper and cotton towels. If there are more calluses found in the feet, remove them using a pedifile, buff lock, pumice stone or callus remover. In the athletic foot, common disorders include corns, calluses and warts. The nails can have white spots or pigmented bands. Foot injuries such as bruises and blisters also occur more frequently. If there are heavy calluses, use an alpha hydroxy acid based callus treatment to reduce them. Once the calluses are treated, clean the foot. Cut the toenails, which are straight across, and then gently around the corners. Smoothen the edges of the toes using a nail buffer. Clean beneath the nails using a cuticle lotion to avoid causing damage to the callus. Apply a thick mask using a foot cream mask and then cover the feet with a towel for a few minutes. Massage the feet with kneading, friction and a long stroke. If you like to give the client a special treat, add reflexology to the massage. This will help reduce stress and make them feel better. Next, you can dry patch the leg and rewrap it again. Polish the nails using a 3-way buffer to smoothen the bumps. Rub the nails using a 3-way buffer to smoothen them. Lastly, apply the base coat, nail enamel, which can be of 2 or 3 coats, and then the top coat. Let the client relax while the polish is drying. Let us now understand another type of pedicure, that is paraffin pedicure. A paraffin pedicure involves the application of paraffin wax to the feet to moisturize the skin of the feet. People who have dry skin on their feet may benefit from a paraffin pedicure. Now, first let us see how to melt the wax. This treatment requires the client to dip their hands and feet in melted paraffin wax. To melt the paraffin wax, fill the top of a double boiler with 4 pounds or around 2 kgs of paraffin wax. Fill the boiler with water and set it on the burner over low heat. Pour 1 cup of mineral oil into the wax. Remove the boiler from the flame when the wax is fully melted. Now you have to pour the wax carefully into a greased plastic container. Wait until a thin layer of skin to develop on top of the wax. Before you start applying the wax, check the temperature with a thermometer. If the temperature is 125 Fahrenheit or 51.7 degrees Celsius, then it is ready to be used. Now, let us look at how to apply the wax. Massage a few drops of olive oil onto the skin of the region to be treated. Dip the whole hand or foot into the wax and keep it there for a few seconds to form a coating over the area. Let the wax dry. Once it is dried up completely, you will notice that the shine fades off. Once the hand or foot is dry, put it back into the wax, not going as deep as you did before. This keeps warm wax from getting under the previous layers of wax, avoiding burns. Repeat this process until you have at least 10 layers of wax on the hand or foot. Place a huge plastic bag over the hand or foot. Then cover it in a towel or an oven mitt for about 15 to 20 minutes. The next process is the removal of wax. Remove the hand from the mitt or towel or a plastic bag after 15 to 20 minutes. Use a soft tissue to wipe off the waxy residue from the skin. If the hands or legs become dry after the removal of wax, apply a moisturizer. Let us now look at the benefits of paraffin pedicures. It improves blood flow. Skin health can be enhanced as it makes the skin more elastic, smooth, and soft. They remove dirt, oil, and germs from the skin. It improves the structure and tone of the skin. It acts as a moisturizer and also relieves pain. Now, let us look at the procedures for hydrating and healing pedicures. This kind of pedicure includes the following: shaping of the nails, cuticle treatment, removal of hard skin, specialized foot treatment, foot and leg massage, nail varnish application as required by the client. For the process, firstly, soak the client's foot in warm water for about 5 to 7 minutes. Wash your hands thoroughly. Check with the client for any bacterial skin or fungal infections. Soak the feet of the client in a pedi-antiseptic soaking solution. Dry the feet and rest them on a clean towel. Next, remove the old enamel from the toenails. Trim the nails using a clipper if required. And then, file the nails using an emery board. The next step is to apply cuticle cream and massage the nails and place the foot back into the soak. Use a callus file or a scrub or an exfoliation on hard skin on the sole of the foot. Dry the foot. Pay attention to the area between the toes. Massage the foot with heated oil to improve blood circulation. Exfoliate the foot using papaya and guava nectar sea salts. And then massage the legs one by one. Make sure to clean the nail plate to ensure that all the grease is removed. After the massage, wrap a warm, wet towel over the feet and legs. Keep the towel on for 5 minutes before removing it. Separate the toes with toe separators or dividers or tissue papers or cotton. Meanwhile, the client can choose a nail enamel color. Apply a base coat, nail enamel, and top coat. Here are a few tips that you can give to your client to take care of their feet. Give home care advice to the client and suggest the products that he or she can buy. Instruct them to dry their feet after each wash and to apply a moisturizing lotion after each shower. Ask the client to apply talcum powder to the foot occasionally to absorb moisture. You can also advise them to massage the cuticle with the cuticle cream oil. Also, remember to advise them to only use non-acetone remover to remove the nail polish. We are at the end of this session. Let's recap what we have learned so far in this topic of pedicure and manicure procedures. French, spa, gel or shellac, stone and electric are the few types of manicure and pedicure procedures. Reflexology helps to reduce stress and helps the client feel better. Athletes or sports pedicure, leg and foot massage helps sportsman and ease the tired muscles and tightens them after a long run. Paraffin pedicure helps in increasing the blood circulation, improves skin health and appearance, and relieves pain.